Hey, so this video I'm going to explain a to the power of 0. This is basically always 1. No matter what a is, it is a to the power of 0 is always 1. And why is this? Well, if you add to the square a number to the square, then you also add one multiplication of a. So a to the power of 1 is a to the power of 2 is a times a, and a to the power of 3 is a times a times a. But if you reversed it, if you remove one square, so then you would go from a to the power of 3 to a to the power of 2. So then you would get a times a times a divided by a, because you've removed one a. And you can keep doing this, so you will go from power of 2 to the power of 1, a times a divided by a. And now you get to the power of 1 to the power of 0, and that is a divided by a. And something divided by itself is always 1. So that is why a to the power of 0 is always 1. Now, if you're like me, you might wonder, then what happens if it's a negative number? Well, if it's a negative number, then you just keep dividing. So now it's 1 divided by a. And a to the power of negative 2 would be 1 divided by a divided by a. And if you're like me, you might also be wondering I'm not sure if I already made a video about this, but what happens if the square is a decimal number? Well, in this case, you, for example, would get a to the power of 0.5. This is basically just a square root converted. So, for example, 9 to the power of 0.5 would be 3, because 0.5 is the same as the 1 divided by 2. And this is how you could write a square root. So could convert a square root to a normal square. So you basically just take the number and you take the normal square root and you divide that by so you take the normal square and then you divide that by the square root. So in this case, 1 divided by 2. But yeah, that is the squares.